Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to watch Fashion TV. How I'll do it, I'll go to Google, just type in Fashion TV to get the app. So the first thing you need to do is to get the app and then, okay, you can watch it. So make sure you type in Fashion TV. Remember, this is a browser, if you just type in Fashion, a lot of options appear. So you want to really verify that and make sure you're looking for Fashion TV app. So you get straight down to the app you're looking for. So that is the solution I want, Fashion TV app. Now I could just scroll down to the option that has play.google.com. That's the one I want. So if I click on this link, I'm redirected to the page. I already have it downloaded, so I'll just click on open. If you do not have it downloaded, then click on install right here and you're going to have the app installed, downloaded automatically, and you find it in your app library. And then you can just open it with the app library or just click open to get it open. Now when you open this app, we're going to launch it and arrive here. So you could go toggle home. Here you have a selection of movies, Fashion TV products and services, World of Jewelry, you could see Rihanna right there, and all that good stuff. Alternatively, you could search for what you're looking for if you have something specific. So all this is content, TV content about fashion. You click on the search button right here to navigate to where you could search for different content you're interested in. You could look at the saved content you've liked on this button right here. Clicking on that will show you the content you've liked, and that's basically it for this video. If you liked it, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.